Now here's a Defender that will not last long. It's a Defender 110 X Dynamic SE on a 73 plate, it's 120,000 miles, full service history, but then it's had a full exterior overhaul, wide arches, black pack, upgraded wheels, which we'll come back to in a second. On top of that, sliding pan roof, air suspension, and it's in Carpathian Grey, so a cracking colour. If we come back to the front, you'll notice the black pack, which works lovely, especially with Carpathian Grey, so black badges, extended black pack, so your front bumpers, and then you come round to the side, you'll notice the wide arches as well. So everyone likes the wide arches on the Defender 110s. This one has them installed already in gloss black. The wheels, a set of wheels you don't see very often, 22-inch HAWKE design alloy wheels, multi-spokes, and I think they're absolutely stunning, those wheels. Sliding pan roof opposed to a fixed roof, and air suspension as well, which is a big one. So if you have a look in the back, 20,000 miles with full history, it gives you an idea on the condition of the car. So it's been very well looked after, spacious 5-seater, and it's why we sell so many of them, because they're a great looking car, but then still unbelievably practical as well, so there's no compromise. When you get to the back, you've got features like rear spoiler, you've also got the deployable side ladders as well, full size spare wheel cover, and then features like this also give you an idea of quite how careful they were with the car. So you've got bumper protector bar on there, huge boot space, so shopping, suitcases, wherever it might be, you'll carry that no problem whatsoever. Then your air suspension, which I mentioned earlier, you can control that from the back, so if you need to load something and it's a little bit heavier than usual, you might have a slightly older dog, whatever it might be, that will come in handy as well. So you've got the exterior style, and with it being the SE or X Dynamic SE, you've got the interior options as well. Fixed side steps come in handy, especially for smaller children. Dark crossbeam, so you've got that full stealth exterior, which I like, so it's a nice feature that. So you'll notice on the steering wheel post, having the light infills, it's all dark, so again, good feature. Digital display, touchscreen, has your navigation, media, telephone, camera systems if I pop it into reverse, rear view, aerial view. So again, if you're coming up in size to a car or going up in car size, then that'll help you with your parking. Your air suspension control from the front as well if you need to. Heated seats control from there. You've got your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, so all the driver features under the armrest. You've got plenty of space and whatnot as well. USB is absolutely everywhere. But for me, it's the exterior styling will win you over to begin with. But it's then got the spec to back it up as well. Air suspension, sliding roof, features like that, which is what a lot of people look for in this car. So it's got the looks, got the spec, low miles, full history, and it's in the perfect colour combination. Carpathian Grey with those gloss black accents. It will not last long, that is a fact, so if you are interested, you will have to be quick. Feel free to give me a call direct. My name is Paddy. Any questions about part exchange, funding, anything like that, just give me a call. You'll find my mobile number above, and I look forward to speaking to you.